Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the sulfur in Windrose. First of all, you'll need to unlock the foothills biome, which can be unlocked by killing the local threat in the coastal jungle biome, Thomas Richards. This is going to unlock the foothills exploration, in which you'll need to find the iron ore and make an iron pickaxe. This is going to allow you to mine sulfur from these tiny rocks. These can be found in the coastal jungle and foothills biome. As you can see, you get some sulfur from it. But what isn't in the coastal jungle biome is a large deposit, which looks like this. It's on a giant rock, and on one side or more there is this giant sulfur deposit. And this is pretty much all how you get sulfur, which is an essential material to craft gunpowder in Windrose. This is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.